Is decision making something you're struggling with? Is it preventing you from starting a new project or trying a new restaurant? You see a new restaurant in town and you go, I really want to go to it, but what if it's bad? What if I waste my money there? What if I waste my time there? What if I bring someone there and it's unenjoyable, it's loud, it's noisy, and we have a bad time? Maybe we should just go to a place we're familiar with. That way, we know what we're getting. What if I don't start the project? What if I just continue living this life and nothing bad will happen? If this sounds like you and you feel like making decisions is giving you anxiety, it's stressing you out, it's like furthest thing from exciting, I have this sort of way to kind of try to reframe your mind, get you excited about making decisions. So let's start with this. Have you ever bought a lottery ticket? Have you ever gambled, like put money down on a roulette table? If you have, you understand that feeling, that excitement you get, that possibility. It's like, oh man, if I win, I double my money. If I win the jackpot, don't have to work ever again. And you fill yourself with that excitement, that possibility, that like anything can happen, and you're really not gambling, you're just buying that feeling. You're paying $5 for a lottery ticket, not so you could win. You're buying that little feeling. You're buying that feeling you get when you think to yourself, what are the possibilities? So I approach pretty much all the decisions I have to make in day-to-day life, whether it's big or small, in the same way. I'm approaching it like I'm gambling. I'm not a big gambler. I feel like money should be earned. However, I feel this gambling mentality, this possibility, this mind frame is really great for helping me pursue projects, helping me try new things, to make decisions where I don't know what the result will be, but I enter it with that possibility that, oh man, wouldn't it be great if I go to this restaurant and it's awesome, and it's just the best time ever. I order something random from the menu and it's just the best food ever. I invite my friends, they come, and we just have an awesome time. It's the best way to spend however much money this restaurant costs, and it's the best way to spend 2 hours of my day. I win. So I go into it with that mind frame, the best case scenario. I'm placing a little bet right now that the best thing will happen. And you fill yourself with that same gambling feeling, that same, like, I'm putting my money down, putting my time down to say, okay, it might suck, but I bet it won't. I bet it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna start this project, I'm gonna put this amount of time into it, I'm gonna put this amount of money into it, and I bet it's gonna work out. I bet it's gonna be great. So often we bet against ourselves. We think we gotta go all in on something, but really we just need to make these little bets. I bet today if I spend 30 minutes working, spend 30 minutes writing, I'll write something awesome. I bet today if I go to that networking event, I'll meet someone who would help me with my career. I bet today if I just go to the library, I'll wander around, I'll find a book that will change my life. And it's just these little decisions, these little bets to try something different. It's what makes a big difference. So what if you make a bet and it doesn't work out? So what? You're playing with house money. You've got so many chances to keep betting. And it's not like you're doubling down, it's not like you're really losing anything, but it's all just that mentality, that frame of mind, that attitude, that, you know what, I believe in myself, I'm gonna put in my time and money right here, and I bet that I will succeed. Give it a shot. Let me know if this frame of mind helps you pursue a new project, helps you try something new. Go into it with a mindset of, I'm making a little bet that this is gonna be awesome. And who knows, maybe it will be. My name is Elliot Chan. I am a writer and content creator, and this channel is all about inspiring you to start your new project or motivating you to finish one that you've already begun. Hope you like and subscribe. I'll talk to you again soon.